let's say we have two functions. One will be f of x and one will be g of x. And we want to use these two functions and use them to define a third function, h of x. And h of x is just going to be f of g of x. So in other words, we're going to take g of x and plug it in to our function f of x. So here's what that might look like. If we define f of x as the sine of x and g of x as x squared, f of g of x is what happens when we plug g of x into f of x. So in this case, we'd be plugging x squared into our sine of x function. So this would be sine of x squared. So that's going to be our h of x. Now, if we want to find the derivative of this, the derivative of h of x, we're going to need to use the chain rule. And so that is going to be defined as f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So what we're doing here is we're taking the derivative of our outside function, in this case f of x, and then we're plugging in our inside function, which is g of x. And then we're multiplying all of that by the derivative of our inside function, which is going to be g prime of x. So sticking with this example, let me change colors here. F prime of x is going to be the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x. So that means that this first section right here is going to be f prime of x, f prime of g of x will be cosine of x squared, right? Because we find the derivative of our outside function and then we plug in our inside function. We plug in our x squared, and then we need to find g prime of x, which is just the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So then we multiply those two things together and we get 2x times cosine of x squared is equal to h prime of x. And that is the chain rule.